Well, you guys, I have another unboxing to do. Um, Brian, he has a channel, NaxShack. Brian sent this to me all the way from New Jersey. Well, my guess is as good as yours. I don't have a clue what this is. You ready? I'm ready. Brian's a cool dude. If you haven't seen NaxShack, you should go check it out. He's got some O gauge that is pretty off the hook. So I sent Brian a package almost 2 weeks ago, and I just got this yesterday, or actually it was today, but it's like 1 in the morning right now. I wanted to get this earlier, but I was busy, so I didn't want to wait till tomorrow. I want to do it now. No idea. I sent Brian an RC car. I had bought an RC car and it was sitting for a while, and I needed to unload some stuff. I was collecting too many things, so I found that Brian likes RC cars, so I decided to go ahead and send it to him. So this is his way of saying thanks for what I said to him. And apparently it's more than one. Nice. So let me move this so we can open this. Send to caboose. I've got a lot of cabooses. These are the Athearn ready to roll. Not to be confused with ready to run. I'm not sure if you guys, there's a lot of people out there who don't know there's a difference. This is beautiful. Check that out, you guys. Look how beautiful that is. It's a Spokane, Portland, and Seattle. Old railroad. This is I believe it's 50s. Was when the SP&S was around here. Wow. That's awesome, Brian. I love it. That's cool. I don't have an SPS caboose. That's actually my first SPS caboose. And something in here, Bowser. Wow. Are you kidding me? I don't want to say it. I want you guys to see want you to see it. Wow. Brian, are you kidding me? Holy cow, look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. The detail in that is just phenomenal. It has the the antenna on top. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful detail. Wow. I want to get it out of the box. The Alco RS3. Wow. I'm shocked. You went out of your way, Brian. This is beautiful. At least it's a Northwest. It's a Northwest Railroad. The Seattle, Portland, or Spokane, Portland, and Seattle Railroad. They used to be all over up here back in the day. Prior to my life, I was born in 1970. I believe these guys were gone by the time I was here. Wow. Trying to get a good view on the camera of that. Wow. I don't even know what to say. That is absolutely beautiful, Brian. Thank you very much. Dude, I can't wait to run that. Man. Once again, it's nice to have good friends, man. Thank you, Brian. You rock, dude.